No matter what, February is Black History Month, and it is a time to honor the resilience, achievements, and contributions of Black individuals throughout history. But it is also a time to reflect on the challenges faced in political change and the ongoing efforts to strengthen and uplift our communities. From the abolition of slavery to the civil rights movement, Black leaders and activists have fought tirelessly for justice, equality, and representation. The passing of landmark legislation such as the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Voting Rights Act of 1965 were significant victories. But the struggle for political and social equity continues today. Despite progress, systemic inequalities persist. Issues such as voter suppression, mass incarceration, and unequal access to quality education and healthcare remain critical concerns. Black communities continue to advocate for policy changes that address racial disparities and ensure fair representation in government. As we navigate modern political challenges, it is crucial to recognize the importance of resilience and unity in overcoming obstacles. Resilience has always been at the heart of Black history. While facing adversity, the Black community has remained steadfast in fostering unity, economic empowerment, and mental health awareness. Supporting Black-owned businesses, mentoring the next generation, and advocating for equitable policies are ways to contribute to a stronger, healthier community. Leaders like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., Malcolm X, Shirley Chisholm, and John Lewis paved the way for political and social change. Today, figures such as Barack Obama, Stacey Abrams, Kamala Harris, and Raphael Warnock continue their legacy by championing voting rights, justice, and equity. As we celebrate Black History Month, let us honor the past, recognize the present struggles, and work together for a better future. By staying informed, engaged, and committed to uplifting our community, we continue the tradition of strength, perseverance, and progress. Black history is American history. Happy Black History Month.